What's up, YouTube? Today, a fidget cube. Now, the last fidget video blew up. Like, literally, it blew up. I got 1,000 views. That's the most views I ever got on any of my channels. I had a channel before this, but I stopped. I have this. This is really fun. I like turning light switches on and off, so I really like turning that on and off. All you have to do is that. If you like collecting your pen, you can do that. If you like spinning stuff, you can do that. Or hit it like that. Or you can do this. And you can also spin this part. It's really fun. Now, a lot of people don't get the point of fidget stuff. It's for people who fidget, for people who can't focus, and for people who like to click their pen like that, or scroll stuff, or turn light on or off, or slide things. Now, to me, I like to click my pen, and I like to turn lights on and off. Now, this does get kind of boring, but when you actually figure out the meaning of it and you figure out what you're supposed to do with it, it's actually fun. So, my name is aka Beastie. This is the Fidget Cube review. Peace out. Oh, let's do a Fidget Cube outro.